Welcome back to the Motor Vista Hub, where we bring you in-depth automotive explorations, detailed breakdowns, and powerful storytelling for car enthusiasts who want more than the basics. If you love vehicles that combine heritage, capability, and modern luxury, then you're in the right place. Today, we're looking at an SUV that has earned respect across the world for its toughness, reliability, and unmistakable presence. This is the Lexus GX, and we're about to dive deep into everything that makes it a standout machine. Before we continue, here's your first 10 seconds that set the tone. Imagine a luxury SUV that doesn't shy away from extreme environments. One that can climb mountains, tackle desert dunes, cruise effortlessly on highways, and still greet you with premium comfort every time you open the door. Imagine a machine built on proven engineering, wrapped in modern elegance, and ready for absolutely anything. That's the spirit of the Lexus GX. Now let's explore it from the ground up. The moment you walk around the Lexus GX, the exterior design grabs your attention with authority. Unlike many modern SUVs that chase aerodynamic curves and car-like silhouettes, the GX stays true to its roots with a bold, upright, and rugged shape that represents real capability. The design communicates toughness in every direction. The body sits proud and confident, with squared-off lines and a muscular profile that lets you know this is a true body-on-frame SUV built for more than city streets. At the front, the GX makes a dramatic entrance with its signature grille, sculpted to reflect modern Lexus design while maintaining an aggressive presence. The grille extends wide and low, framed by sharp LED headlamps that give the SUV a fierce look. The lighting signature is elegant yet intimidating, creating a face that's instantly recognizable day or night. Air channels, precise angles, and strong hood lines work together to create a mixture of luxury and ruggedness. The GX doesn't pretend to be gentle. Instead, it embraces a powerful identity that sets it apart. Moving along the side, the proportions highlight the SUV's functional design. A high roofline, tall windows, and a long body emphasize space and visibility. The wheel arches are thick and pronounced, housing wheels that can handle both paved roads and uneven terrain. The doors and panels feel substantial, showcasing Lexus craftsmanship and durability. The SUV's stance is wide and planted, giving the impression of strength and stability even before it moves. It looks ready for long journeys, off-road trails, and sophisticated urban routes all at once. Toward the rear, the GX maintains its strong personality. The taillights are modern and sharply styled, adding depth and visual presence to the back end. Clean lines make the rear appear polished, while the bumper and structure offer the durability you expect from a true off-road capable SUV. Even the simple act of opening the rear cargo area feels purposeful, with space designed for practical use whether you're carrying luggage, camping gear, or everyday essentials. The GX combines function with elegance in a way that makes the rear design both refined and robust. Step inside, and the interior of the Lexus GX tells an entirely different story from its rugged exterior. The cabin is a sanctuary of comfort, luxury, and thoughtful details. Every surface is created with high-quality materials, from soft leather to well-crafted trim pieces. Lexus has always excelled in interior craftsmanship, and the GX proudly demonstrates that legacy. The seats are designed for long-distance comfort with generous cushioning, power adjustments, and supportive contours. Whether you're driving through rough trails or cruising on a smooth highway, the seats maintain a level of comfort that makes every journey enjoyable. The dashboard is beautifully arranged with a blend of modern digital interfaces and familiar Lexus controls. The large touchscreen at the center acts as your main hub for navigation, media, climate settings, and vehicle information. It responds quickly and lays out everything in an intuitive format. Below that, controls for climate and comfort are placed conveniently, making the interior feel user-friendly and premium. Visibility from the driver's seat is excellent thanks to the upright design and tall windows. The steering wheel is wrapped in luxurious material, with controls placed perfectly for ease of use. Passengers in the second row enjoy spacious seating with comfortable legroom and headroom. The third row is ideal for additional passengers or can be folded down to increase cargo capacity. The cabin layout is flexible, adapting easily to everyday use or long adventure trips. The climate control system extends throughout the vehicle, ensuring that everyone stays comfortable no matter the weather outside. One of the most impressive aspects of the GX interior is how quiet it feels. Lexus insulation and engineering significantly reduce outside noise, creating a peaceful environment that highlights the premium audio system and elevates the driving experience. Now let's talk about performance, because the Lexus GX is built on a foundation of strength and capability. Unlike many luxury SUVs that rely on unibody platforms, the GX uses a traditional body-on-frame construction, giving it exceptional durability and off-road strength that crossovers simply cannot match. The suspension system is engineered for both comfort and capability, absorbing bumps and uneven surfaces without sacrificing stability. On the road, the GX delivers smooth acceleration, predictable handling, and a reassuring sense of control. The ride quality is luxurious, while still maintaining the toughness expected from a capable SUV. The steering feels steady, giving drivers a sense of confidence whether maneuvering through city streets or winding mountain roads. The braking system is strong and responsive, adding to the feeling of control and security. Lexus has famously prioritized reliability and performance engineering, and the GX is one of the models most celebrated for its long-term dependability. Off-road, the Lexus GX truly shines. With advanced systems like crawl control, multi-terrain select, four-wheel drive capabilities, and locking differentials, the SUV handles challenging environments with ease. Whether tackling rocky climbs, sandy trails, or snowy landscapes, the GX maintains traction, balance, and stability. It's designed for real adventure, not just marketing promise. Drivers who want both luxury and true capability appreciate the GX because it performs without hesitation in places where many high-end SUVs simply cannot go. Under the hood, the Lexus GX carries an engine designed to deliver power, smoothness, and longevity. Depending on the model year, it typically features a strong V6 or V8 engine tuned for reliable performance rather than short-lived bursts of speed. The engine produces enough torque to tow heavy loads, climb steep inclines, and maintain smooth acceleration even when fully loaded with passengers and cargo. The sound of the engine is refined yet confident, reflecting the balance between utility and luxury. The transmission shifts seamlessly, contributing to the comfortable driving experience. The engine is not only powerful, but also engineered for durability, capable of lasting years and miles with proper care, which is part of why GX vehicles have such a loyal fan base. As we move toward closing, the Lexus GX stands as one of the few SUVs that truly blend traditional toughness with modern luxury. It's not just about style or features, it's about capability, reliability, and a driving experience that feels authentic and confident. The exterior is bold and commanding, the interior is refined and comfortable, the performance is powerful and dependable, and the engine is built to handle real-world demands with grace. The GX represents a balance that appeals to adventurers, families, professionals, and anyone who wants a luxury SUV that can do far more than look good in a driveway. Thank you for watching and taking this deep dive into the Lexus GX. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next automotive exploration. Share your thoughts below. Would you choose the Lexus GX? What feature impressed you the most? Stay tuned for more exciting content, and until next time, drive safe and embrace every journey ahead.